bike. We're at that bike camp.
Yeah, so.
Right up. Oh, look.
Love these guys.
Hey, drop him down, though. Drop him down. Come on, dog. Yeah.
With the bottle is wild, dog.
Skid. Hop skid.
What's going on, guys? So I just got back home from dinner. First off, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I mean, I know 2,000 doesn't seem like a lot and doesn't really mean much, but to me, it means the world just because, you know, I never really thought that 2,000 people would be tuning into my videos. At first, I really made this YouTube channel for myself. I wanted to be able to, in 10 years from now, look back and reminisce about everything that I did in my 20s. But as of this past year, you know, I really started taking this YouTube and creating content seriously. I upgraded my camera, I upgraded my PC, I spent a whole shit ton of money, honestly, into making these videos the way it is now. And I know it's nothing crazy. I know I have a lot to learn and I can make these videos a whole lot better. I'm still learning. I'm still in that process of trying to get better and stuff like that and finding how I want my videos to be like. If you guys couldn't tell, I don't just try to do the car content. I try to do lifestyle. I try to do the cinematic side of it as well. So I try to do a little bit of everything, you know, and I appreciate all you guys that do enjoy the videos. I've never really asked you guys in any of the past videos to like or subscribe. I really want that to be up to you guys, you know, and if you guys don't like the videos, by all means, I'm sorry if it's not your cup of tea, but for everyone that does enjoy the videos and that want to show support, I really appreciate you guys subscribing and following and liking the videos and commenting. It really helps me out and it really means the world to me. I'm not making any money off of this YouTube channel. I'm really doing this for the happiness of myself and my friends and my family. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much. Big thank you to Shane, to Sarah, to Jordan, to Cam, to Roma, to Arrow, to Alvin, to Matt, to Kikoa, all my close friends, even the SMG family as well. All of these guys have supported me along the way. All of them have given me ideas, have motivated me to make content, to keep recording, to upload more vlogs, upload more videos and everything like that. I just want to say thank you guys so much. That was the whole point of this dinner tonight. I just wanted to show my appreciation to my closest friends. Honestly, they mean the world to me. I really owe them everything. Harding would not be where it is now, and Harding would not be anything, honestly, if it wasn't for them. They are Harding and what you see in these videos. So making this content, you know, is what I look forward to at the end of the day. I have a regular job, I work, I lift, and then I come home to edit. Like I said again, I want to keep it short and sweet, but I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all my homies and my friends that have supported. Thank you guys so much. That's pretty much it. That's kind of all I wanted to say. I know I don't usually set up the camera just to talk, but yeah, I just wanted to show my thanks and my appreciation. That's probably going to be it for tonight, and tomorrow we have a little install video. We will be installing seats into Arrow's 86. So it should be a pretty fun, jam-packed video. Should be a quick install, but we probably will do something after that. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said again, thank you guys so much for supporting and tuning in. It really means a lot to me.
Fuck the color of your skin. Back once again, chilling in the back of the lack when I pass everything. Been the ass and I pass to a friend.
Still waiting for a sponsorship.
Again, slabs on the lack when I spin, then it's back to the back of the beans. Make back in the back when they hand in the back when I tap, then attack, never that, max on the end, skin, ends. I remember way back when motherfucker used to have to ball cash from my friends.
Buddy, where you are?
I'm on a swear to God to be back. That the kids all look up to me. Them bitches wanna fuck with me. My idols say what's up to me. From comfortably to comfortably. Suddenly changed me. It's just like yesterday. Times are so ugly.
Wow, that's a good one right there.
Wow, it's a bride from Japan. You get it? She wants a ring, bro.
Yeah. On the radar, 2023. 6GOD, my broski 2C. Know what it is. combination. Yeah.
Open that fucker and sit it on. Holy shit, Arrow. Is this sick? Oh my god, why did I focusing? Yeah? Oh, dude. The carbon is fucking crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that looks gangster, bro. I'm happy for you. This thing is sick. Big difference. How you feeling? How you feeling?
You look big enough.
Next. 1, 2, 3.
But we know some demon guys with jealous and evil.
Seats are finally bolted down, guys. Woo-wee. Beautiful. I'm just gonna show you guys the carbon backing on it real quick. Oh my gosh. What do you have to say, Cam?
Guarantee still have sex in those.
You cannot have sex in these, Cam. But look at that. Oh, wait. Yeah, these are sick. Oh my god. Show me how you do a zippies, dog. And then what? Fold that fucker up, Cap. Holy shit, cuz you turn that fucker into an origami, dog. Yes, oh, you're surfing. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go head over to Yanagi's, which is a little Japanese restaurant. Celebrate a little bit for Arrow's new seats. Yes, they look fucking crazy. Pardon my language, but they look so sick. Here we are. At the Chez Kenzo. Got Arrow rolling backwards all the way. Sick.
Valentino. I tell baby M what she did to the kid that eyeliner like emo. She didn't rock my clothing line when we had one shirt to go with the jeans though. Now a man like me and Clint can afford those with like Gran Torino.
Crocodile tears, she ain't even crying. Why you swearing to God? You don't even believe in Christ. What you saying, well, are you for? You ain't been on your team, you been eating swine. I ain't the man of your dreams, now you wish that you stayed with your previous guy. It used to be 3.5s, now I can sell out the O2 Arena twice. Don't ask what the fee looks like. Don't believe all the media hype, like 80% of these people lying. Who can I ask when I need advice? I gotta work hard, this me provides. Email white beats for the feature. Look, what goes up must come down. So when you're in the air, prepare for the landing. I did everything that I could for my hood, so how did they say I don't care for the man? Crib so big I might get out of breath if I walk too quick up the stairs in a mansion. They weren't there for the action, trying to round up 300.
What's going on, guys? So me and Shane just finished work. We are heading to our homie Mark's house right now. He drives a sick 86. It's a static one as well. On some KFs, I believe. But yeah, we're gonna go to his house, help him roll his fenders on his car. From there, we're gonna go back to Shane's house, then try to source out a leak in his management. From there, I'm gonna head over to GY Fitness, get a little lift in, bring you guys along with me. Probably won't do like an in-depth detail of my workout, just gonna be, getting some shots of me working out and stuff like that. But it should be a fun time. It should be a short, sweet little vlog. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get it. Ooh, that thing is sick. How's it, bro? See you, dog. Man, static now. You see it? This thing is beautiful. Really nice. Clear tails. Not sure what lip kit this is, but really clean.
This is why you get a PBM roller, guys. Because when you have to roll fenders on a static car like this, you can't fit it.
I like your swag, boy, I like your swag. You look like dad, look just like your dad. You like dad, you look just like your dad. Boy, I like your swag, man, I love your swag. You look like that, you look just like your dad. You look like that, you look just like your dad. All the kids, all the dad. Baby mom, where you at? Bring 'em up, diamonds wet. Driving Hummus and Corvettes. You waking up, found a check. We got kids, putting on cash and check.
Leak, where are you? Did you find it? Where'd you find it? Oh shit, the fitting. Do we have an extra fitting? Alright, y'all. obviously. We're at Shane's house now. Shane's sourcing out the lead. We actually found it. We think we found it. You know, we're gonna change the fitting on one of the lines, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that fixes everything. Had to get some Taco Bell before I pulled up over here. They gave me an extra Baja Blast for nobody, but you know, we'll take it. I'm not gonna say no to a free drink. But yeah, we're gonna fix Shane's lead. Pretty much, I think it's almost done already. But I'm gonna eat my food, head over to GY Fitness, get a quick lift in, do some legs, and then that's about it, guys. Just a little short, sweet video. Not gonna really talk much at the gym either. Just gonna get my workout done, get some of those cinematics and stuff while lifting, and then just call it a night. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know. There's not really much to do on a weekday, you know, so it's kind of hard to record or, you know, find something to do. So just doing the best I can for you guys. And a whole ounce quesadilla and only give me 3 sauces. Stingy fuckers. That's crazy, because I need at least 5 sauce packets. I need at least 5 sauce packets now.
Walk down with that Drake, bet I won't hear us coming, bitch. These niggas still in the city, they ass ain't getting no money, bitch. It's murder for hire, we pull up on tires, we hop out on feet, quick. Try to run, you fall, you fuck, the fuck nigga gon' wish he ain't trip. Try to run, he fall, he fuck, I'm up 2, I want one up. Draco knock it buck, just like a BM, get him fucked. Pull up, lease it stuck, he in the Uber, shoot through the truck. I heard this bitch wanna fuck, shut the fuck up, better take this nut, bitch. Get shit spun, spit, kill, I don't wanna be behind the wheel. I wanna hang out, make shit spill, bitch, this shit'll get real. When I murder the Houston, my niggas catch hats, no niggas dumping a meal. Pull up with 5-7 on his other shit, or you might get a 10 mil. Hey, bitch, hey, and while we talking about the 10 mil, hey, count 10 mil, nigga. You couldn't even count 10 mil, broke ass, nigga.